Hey, what's up guys, Right Brothers here, and today I'm gonna be covering 40 apps that I use in my Android device just in 2 minutes or 120 seconds. So without any further ado, let the timer begin. Hey Google, start 2-minute timer. Starting it with the social media application, I use plenty of apps to connect with you guys like Facebook, Instagram and many other. Out of them, I spend my most of the time on Twitter and Reddit. Reddit is such a good app for learning, for fun, some interesting stuff and many more. That's what it makes the front page of the internet. Alright, coming to the home screen, I use Nova Launcher Prime which I bought earlier in the sale, and with that pixel icon pack. I always keep changing my home screen, so for that customization, I use some of the apps, and one of my favorite is Custom Live Wallpaper. Talking about the wallpaper, Facet's got an amazing collection of wallpaper which is made by Justin Moller. And for Unsplash wallpaper, my wall is really great app. Google Rewards help me to buy all premium stuff from the Play Store. I get service like once a week or so. Well, we also run a tag magazine, or you can call it blog, so to write articles from the mobile phone, I use WordPress application. And if you don't know about this, then go visit now, the link will be in the description below. As I need to write article on daily basis, I need to be connected with all tech world. For that I use Feedly and InnoReader. Both are really great app, I don't have any complaints, but I like InnoReader because of its simple UI. I am also using Kickstarter and Indigo to look at some great innovations made by different companies. Also search Google application to monitor my website and YouTube traffic and earning. Well, AdSense for my website is just approved, but still. Okay, so I don't play much games on my smartphone, yet Clash Royale is my favorite, and I keep trying such offline games for fun. And rest of the application like Temtines to find events near me, Amazon and Flipkart for shopping, for editing photos I use Snapseed, and to record videos Cinema FP5, Grammarly keyboard to correct my mistakes. So these all are 40 apps that I use in my Android device. Hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. So thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, stay tuned my brother.